Last time we discussed tires when the Dominar got a new pair of footwear. And this time I'm sharing an interesting yet important experience with the CEAT Zoom D directional tires. So of late my friend got a new set of tires for his TVS Vigo. Previously it was running on the MRF, so this time we decided to try the CEAT Zoom D. The CEAT Zoom D is appreciated by many and has got some really good reviews. But after a few days of use, my friend told that he's facing some kind of buzz after crossing speeds of 40 kilometers per hour. And overall, he was not happy with the performance of the new tires. So on the next weekend, I took the Vigo out for a spin and even I noticed some minor buzz. But as a regular user of the Vigo, my friend had made some better observations. And once I reached the parking space to have a look, the reason was pretty clear. While we were pitching MRF against CEAT and were even doubting the engine oil, the culprit was right in front of us. No, it's not the AMSOIL scooter engine oil, but you need to know the backstory for this, where the old MRF tire was leaking air, so my friend avoided riding it to a distance and instead decided to purchase and install the tire from a nearby local tire shop, where they successfully managed to install both the tires in wrong direction. In this case, the CEAT Zoom D is a directional tire, which means CEAT has designed the thread and the structure for this tire to roll in the direction of the vehicle's movement, which is usually forward. Directional tires can be easily identified with the rotation stamp along with the direction on the sidewall. It can also be identified with the directional thread pattern, which is usually in arrow shape like the letter V or Y, which was clearly opposite in our case. Installing directional tires in a right way is important as the design helps the vehicle's performance in a lot of ways. One of the primary benefits is channeling out the water away from the contact patch, which helps a lot while riding in wet conditions. The same applies to dry road conditions, where the thread pattern maintains a regular airflow in between the grooves, keeping the tires cool while they are on the move. Apart from this, directional tires have got better traction, corner and straight speed stability when compared to conventional tires. These are designed to reduce road noise, and by installing them in the opposite direction, we just discarded all the benefits. Incorrect installations like this can also compromise on the safety aspects, as in many countries, your vehicle won't pass the safety and roadworthiness test if you have directional tires mounted in the wrong direction. Our immediate action was to reinstall both the tires in the right direction. Directional tires like the CEAT Zoom should also provide better rolling resistance due to their unidirectional design, which should also contribute to the efficiency factor. Reinstalling the tires in the right direction cleared up the issue like a magic trick, and it should also give better directional stability without the risk of uneven wear. These tires are yet to age and face tortures, but for now the CEAT Zoom D is performing well and the experience has turned from worse to a better side. I like the grip provided by these tires during sudden change in the road condition, and the same confidence can be felt during braking. So this was something which I found worth sharing, and getting your tires installed from an authorized dealer who knows this stuff can save you from such trouble. Also, knowing and keeping an eye on such small yet important stuff can be useful. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.